upon a morning bright, a little bell began to light. It shimmered soft, it rang so sweet, calling fairies to softly meet there. The meadow danced, the flowers swayed, tiny wings in sunlight played. A fairy named Lila, brave and small, heard the bell's soft silver call. She flew above the daisy hill to find the sound so pure and still. The bell hung high from golden thread and whispered magic as it said, "Go." Ring me once and dreams will start. Ring me twice with a kind heart. Ring me thrice and you shall see a world of wonder, wild and free. Lila smiled and gave a ring. Suddenly clouds began to sing. Raindrops danced in rainbow hue. Butterflies in circles flew. She rang again, her heart so pure. The magic grew soft and sure. The tiny child began to cheer. His broken toy was fixed right here. She rang the bell the final time. The forest chimed in gentle rhyme. The sun came low, the sky turned gold. The bell was calm, its magic old. The fairy learned so kind and true. Magic grows in hearts like you. When you help with love and care, magic bells are everywhere.